Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
Have you ever had a pair of shoes that every time you get a glimpse of them when you're walking, you just smile because they make you so happy? That's how I feel about these adorable red micro suede shoes by Osslue. So, first of all, they are just really cute, fun shoes. I love red. I feel like it goes with everything, and I have been wearing them with everything: pants, skirts, dress slacks, jeans. And I've also been wearing them because they are super comfortable. There is a lot of cushion in these, and these are made of microsuede, so they are not genuine leather, but you would not know that. They are a beautifully handcrafted microsuede and they look just like suede. I was a little worried when I got them because the soles are very interesting. They are just rubber little pieces on top of just the microsuede. So there's not one full sole. But I have to say, I have really liked them. It makes them extra comfortable. I wore these on a rainy day and I did not have a problem with my feet feeling wet or the bottoms getting damp. So don't worry about that. I highly recommend these. They are the cutest, most comfortable shoes I have right now.
But that's just my point of view.